Ah, hey, hey, yeah. Somebody told me about it when I was still a little boy. He said to me, crying does not pay. He said to me, education is the key. Yeah. As a little boy, I thought I knew what I was doing. Yeah, man. But today